G'day YouTube, JB from Oz here. So this is number 84, Trinity Labs Illuminatus. Job here today is to replace the hot bed with a silicon mat heater. So upgrade path, we're taking off this old Kapton heater and clearing the glue off in preparation for silicon mat heater upgrade. So this is a 350 watt 24 volt heater. And what's going on the bed of the Illuminatus. So, clean, clean, clean. Yeah, so smoothie boys all running again, powering up. I've got the output from the smoothie now going to the SSD. The SSD is now controlling this 24 volt power supply to silicon mat heater. So that's a 350 watt heater, which will do the maths at about 12 to 15 amps at 24 volts. We've got a 360 watt power supply, so that's on its maximum juice when it's powering up. And this is where the previous heating wire fractured, got hot, and then of course melted out the plastic cable chain. So that explains the fracture, the reason why I lost bed heat last time. So, all good, soon to be printing again. So did you know there's two types of SSRs? Some are DC, some are AC, some are possibly both. This one is a DC SSR, the other one was an AC SSR. And the problem with the AC SSR is that it didn't switch because there was no zero crossing of the output voltage. Now our solid state relay is acting as it should be. Up to 40 out of 60, 41, heating up nice and quick. That's what I was hoping for. 5. Due to the PID control. Rapid switching, which is why you want a solid state relay on this. And as we've learnt, why you want a DC solid state relay on this one. It's just overshot 60, still heating. So I haven't done a PID tuning yet, which is what's required to control as to the power of the heater, because my old heater was much less powerful. Now it's gone to mostly off state, so it realises it's well and truly too hot, with just the occasional blip to try and soften the cool down. So yeah, I'm going to call that good. It's printing! What we like to see with a really well tuned PRD. Temperature stays bang on as requested. Here our resolution is 1 degree. Here our resolution is 0.1 of a degree. So without any substantial tuning,
This layer is possibly slightly overfilled, but only about 2 or 5% I reckon. So the way to solve that is to go up a little bit higher, or to change our extrusion percentage of the first layer slightly. But look, that's going to give us a really good solid bond to the base, and second and subsequent layers will be fine.
Alright, now it's had a chance to cool down. This has come off the bed. And that is filler print.